Composting, which is widely accepted as an effective way to limit food waste, takes a lot of space and necessitates constant monitoring. Many people do not possess the time or space required to maintain a well-developed compost pile. The Smart Composter will allow for maintenance of an effective composting pile, regardless of any lack of space or lack of time. There are many factors necessary for an effective compost pile, such as proper moisture, temperature, and pH levels. The Smart Composter will be able to both supply and maintain all of these within a self-contained, self-regulated environment. This will make composting much more user-friendly, which will help to effectively limit food waste. According to the EPA, 27 million tons of composted material was created in 2017. Compost requires three main ingredients: carbon sources, such as dead leaves and branches, nitrogen sources, like grass clippings, fruits and vegetables, and water. The ratio of carbon to nitrogen sources is important for compost development. The optimal ratio is 1:1. Adding water allows for an accelerated breakdown of the organic matter. We plan to have two sizes in the future, the leaf and the earth. They will have 1584 and 4624 inches cubed volume respectively. The MSRP price for the composters will be $200 and $375 respectively.
The Smart Composter is made of 3D printed materials and wood. We use pH, temperature, and humidity sensors to determine when to add leaves into the composter. We use Peltier tiles to generate heat, which helps the decomposition process. The LCD provides instant feedback to the user by displaying the current readings of temperature, leaf amount, and humidity. Thus, the insulation of tin foil traps heat and keeps it from escaping. To keep humidity at a consistent percentage, we have implemented an automatic ventilation system. At the center of the unit is a stepper motor, which spins and stirs the compost for even distribution of newly added leaves.